HobbyKidsTV.
One day, Peppa Pig went out for a stroll. She noticed something strange. Peppa Pig, this is Bad Cop, and you're coming with me. Oh no, what's happening? Well, we couldn't take over Bricksburg, so we're going to take over your world, Peppa Pig. But the only thing is stopping us is that piece of resistance that's on your back. What? Oh my, how did that get there? Oh, there's no mistake, Peppa. You're coming with me. I don't think so. Oh, Wild Style! I'm here to save you, Peppa. What's going on, Wild Style? Peppa, you've got the piece of resistance, and we need that to seal up the Kragled. Your world is in danger. Oh no! Look out! Oh, Peppa, are you okay? Oh, Metalbeard, is that you? Thank goodness. Wait a minute, that's not Metalbeard. Oh no, what happened?
Avast, mateys.
Oh, you like the changes that I've made to Metalbeard? Haha, that's right, you could say he lost his head and I replaced it with one of my robots. Now nothing can stop me from taking Peppa Pig's world. No! Put me down, you big pile of junk. And I've also found a new friend. The Joker in his robot. Well, technically he stole it from Lex Luthor, but still, it makes my power grow. Isn't that right, Joker? Has anyone told you you look like a giant tie? You know, people always say that, and I don't know what they're talking about. There is a larger piece of resistance made out of Play-Doh that will save Peppa Pig's world. What a bunch of hippy-dippy baloney. I think I'll start by Kragling your family. No! Help me! Oh no! Who can save Peppa Pig from Lord Business and all of his minions? Look out! There's a box coming from the real world. It's the Lego Movie kit. Emmet's Construct-o-Mech. And Emmet's trying to get out to save Peppa Pig! Nice try, Brickowski. Try getting out of those bags. Oh, I'm totally getting out of this bag. Thanks, Hobby Dad. Leave her alone, you dirty pirate. I'm a master builder now. And look at this awesome tractor robot.
If you want her, come and get her.
It seems this blasted blaster only works on Superman. Oh, you're ruining all of my fun. Now, boss. Oh no. Haha.
Yar, take this.
There's too many of them. We're gonna win this one, boys. I need some help. No. Who can help us? Oh no. Remember that time when I was a giant Lego battle robot and I saved a pig's world from being destroyed by an evil Lego guy who looked like a tie? No, Mater, I don't remember that. Well, sure you do. Yep, I was the roughest, toughest, fighting Lego junkyard robot there ever was. And I had to fight me a fancy pirate robot and everything. Mater, I think you're kind of off your rocker there. That never happened. Well, sure it did. Mexel Claw attack!
Yar, what be this? Oh, that's it. Now I'm mad.
Bring it on, Donkey Kong.
How do you like me now?
Well, I like you just fine.
Oh no.
Wow, Mater, thanks, but we still need to find the giant piece of resistance. Whoa, you mean this thing right here? I've had this in my junkyard forever. What are we supposed to do with it? Well, it's a Play-Doh surprise, so we better open it up. Wild Style, can you get that thing open? It's Angry Kitty!
You all need to learn how to be more nice to each other.
Oh no!
Be nice.
Okay, no problem, I'll be nice. You win this time, Emmet and Kitty, but I'll be back. They got away. Well, we did it, everybody. We saved Peppa Pig and her family and her whole world. Thank you so much, Emmet, Wild Style, Good Cop, and Mean Kitty. Yeah, you might not want to talk to her right now. She's still kind of brewing. And thank you too, Meta Robot. Yeah, ain't no problem. You know, just doing what I have to do as a big fancy giant Lego battle robot.
And once again, the day is saved because of Emmet and his friends.
Hey, thanks for joining us, Hobby Kids. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Check out these other videos and subscribe for some more awesome Play-Doh Lego toy action!